Dear students, good morning. I am Professor Murid Abbas Syal Bhakkar. The chemistry chapter number 4. First of all, we will know that why do atoms combine? You have studied in previous classes that some atoms other than noble gases, all the atoms are non-stable and they want to become stable. They can be stable with the help of two rules. These rules are called duplet rule and octet rule. Having two electrons complete in the first shell, main shell K, in K shell the atom should have two electrons and this is called duplet rule. Each atom want to have 8 electron in the L shell and this is called octet rule. By following octet rule and duplet rule, the atoms can become stable. The noble gases, which is the 18th group, they are physically stable because they have complete number of electrons in their valence shells according to duplet rule and octet rule. Noble gases or ideal gases do not lose or gain electron because their octets are completely filled. So, other than noble gases, all atoms want to complete their orbits. They do complete their orbit by three ways, either by removing electron from their valence shells or gaining electrons in the valence shell to complete their octet or by sharing electrons to follow the octet rule, and in this way they can become stable. So each atom want to become stable by gaining electron or by losing electron or by sharing electron. So atoms combine with themselves or with other atoms to become stable. When atom combines with other atom, it comes to near that, and after that it loses electron or gains electron or shares electron, and a bond is formed. The force of attraction appear. This chemical bonding, this attraction of electron is called chemical bonding. The forces of attraction which keep the atom stable and try to uh, combine, these forces of attraction are called chemical forces and they are also called chemical bond. There are four types of chemical bond. First one is ionic bond, and second is covalent bond, and third is coordinate covalent bond, and fourth is metallic bond. In your grades 9, 10, 10th at secondary level, you will study these four bonds in detail. So Now, this is your homework that you have to learn what is duplet rule, what is octet rule, why do atoms combine, what is chemical bond, and which forces are responsible to keep the atoms together, and what are the four types of chemical bond. You have to write this and also learn it. I will take oral test of you on tomorrow and check your homework. Till tomorrow, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.